How to activate Buy Now, Pay Later on Amazon. In order for you to do so, the very first thing you want to try doing is head over to your application Amazon, enter your specific login credentials and make sure you are logged into your specific account. Once you have been logged into your account, head over to your profile icon at the bottom of the screen and then click on Account at the very top. Once you're in this page, scroll down and you see the option of payments. In this page, you should see the feature or the option where it says Buy Now, Pay Later. If you have that option on your account, then all you gotta do is click on it and then you should check the eligibility in order for you to enable this feature. If it meets all of the criteria, you will be able to activate. All you gotta do is tap on Activate. Once it has been activated, you will be able to buy things from Amazon, but you can also pay later between 30 days. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.